Today I'm going to be doing a review on the KINGBOLEN Ediag Elite OBD2 scanner. This scanner right here was sent to me by KINGBOLEN to review. I have worked with KINGBOLEN a few times. I did a review on the OBD scanner and also on the brake fluid tester. And this company has been amazing so far. The products that I review are still working after all these years. So today I get the privilege to do the review on this Ediag Elite. Let me just say that I'm not getting paid by KINGBOLEN. They did not tell me anything what to say. They just sent it to me and asked me to review it. And that's what I will be doing. Now, also, this video was very hard for me to record. I have over 300 videos and this has to be the hardest one because I had to use my phone in order to work this OBD2 scanner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the side over here of what I did to the diagnostic and everything that I did on my 2008 Honda Accord. Another thing I want you to know is that this scan tool is a free software for lifetime. You heard me right. And you're going to see all the functions this thing has. A lot of companies offer you 1 year for free, but KINGBOLEN offer you a lifetime. So just keep that in mind. So now let's see what's inside. It comes in this nice little box. And then inside the box, it comes right in here. You can put this in your pocket. My scan tools, I got a big scan tool and another big one that I can't put in my pocket. But this I can just put in my pocket and just keep going. Just keep moving. So here it goes. The Ediag Elite Diagnostic tool has the serial number and everything in the back. So now, before you start working with the scan tool, you have to download the app. Like I said, I'm going to have a video right here when I'm talking, and it'll guide you through everything you have to do. But you don't need my guidance because they actually did a good job. KINGBOLEN did a good job with the instructions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the app. You go to the App Store. Once you go there, you have to log in. You're going to have to log in with your email. And also, they're going to give you a serial number activate code. It's going to be right in here. That's to activate it. Your email is actually like your login also. Once you do that, you're going to go to activate the Ediag Elite, this one. You're going to press the diagnostic function. You're going to see it right there. And then once you do that, you're going to put the OBD on your car and you can start or do the Bluetooth connection. Once it does the Bluetooth connection, then now you can start diagnosing the car, whatever car you are doing. Now, this thing has so much stuff that I have to write it because it has so much function in there. I was like, can this be true? So I just started praying with buttons just to see if it's true. And a lot of the things that it has in there work perfectly. So I already mentioned that the software is a lifetime for free. This thing has all system scan, diagnostic. It has around 15 service functions. It has live data and drafts. You can also go to history, of what the history had. It also has maintenance functions. It recodes, erase codes. It has modular information, read data stream, refreeze frame, actual test, and it also has data stream. In the data stream, what it means is it has AC monitor, engine speed, EVAP monitor, fuel level, map, throttle monitor. It has all these things, and then it has a square like a box in the side, and all you do is just press them, and once you press them, you can actually see 4 drafts at the same time. You also have brake test and brake bleeding. And when you go to brake bleeding, it will guide you on what to do. You cannot go wrong. The only thing I found hard on this one is, and I'm going to do a video, separate video on it, on the immobilizer reset. You can actually do keys with this Ediag Elite from KINGBOLEN, but you have to have an original key. So if I ever have a car and I have the original key, I'm going to use that immobilizer reset. Yes, you can do keys with it also. It also has battery matching, steering angle reset, electric throttle relearn, water pump. You can also check the window. It has so much in it. I was impressed with it, and it's very fast. You know, when I press the button, it'll get the VIN number. Now, let's say you have an old car and it doesn't read the VIN number, you can actually put it by hand. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You get to learn something from the video in the side. But I'm going to tell you, KINGBOLEN, you did it again with this Ediag Elite OBD scanner. I was actually impressed. Thank you for letting me review it. Hopefully, our viewers will appreciate it, love it, and like it the way I liked it. And remember, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.